So you can see here, Maddie is very excited to see her own face in the drawing, and she is asking why it really looked like her own self. Wenda had really drawn this for her. Means now she has come to know that Wenda has specially made this sketch for Maddie itself. Face is there, face of Maddie is there, and so far she could not see her face because she was lost in the colors of the dress. So excitedly she ran over to Peggy's means Peggy के घर पे दौड़ती हुई गई. Peg, she said, let me see your picture. What's the matter? Peggy says, what's the matter? As they clattered up to her room where Wenda's drawing was lying face down on the bed. Means they clattered up, means they ran up. दौड़ते हुए उस रूम में गए जहां पर वेंडा की पेंटिंग रखी हुई थी बेड पे. मैडी केयरफुली रेज्ड इट. मैडी ने बहुत केयरफुली उसको उठाया. लुक, नाउ शी इज वेरी एक्सक्लेम्ड. लुक, शी ड्रू you means she has made your face in this drawing. That's you, she exclaimed, and the head and face of this picture did look like Peggy. Means वो Peggy से कह रही है कि you can see face or head of the picture is yours. It means to say Wenda has made drawings for both of us. In my drawing my face is there, and in your drawing your face is there. What did I say? Said Peggy. She must have really liked us anyway. मैंने कहा था ना कि वो हमें बहुत पसंद करती है. She likes us very much. Yes, she must have. Agreed Maddie. Means Maddie was agreed with Peggy. And she blinked away the tears that came every time she thought of Wenda. मतलब जब कभी भी वेंडा के बारे में वो सोचती थी तो उसकी आंखों में आंसू आ जाते थे. एंड द सेम थिंग हैपेंड नाउ इटसेल्फ व्हेन शी थॉट ऑफ वेंडा स्टैंडिंग अलोन इन द सनी स्पॉट इन द स्कूल यार्ड. जो स्कूल के यार्ड में धूप में अकेले एक तरह से अकेले ही खड़ी रहती थी. लुकिंग stolidly means without any expression, without any feeling. She used to stand over there over at the group of laughing girls after she had walked off. जब चारों तरफ से उसको लड़कियां घेर के उससे क्वेश्चन पूछा करती थी और वो बिना कुछ कहे, बिना किसी फीलिंग के वो वहां से चली जाया करती थी. उस सीन को याद करते हुए यहां पर मैडी की आंखों में फिर आंसू आ जाते हैं. आफ्टर शी हैड सेड श्योर 100 ऑफ देम ऑल लाइंड अप. ये किसके वर्ड्स होते थे? ये वेंडा के वर्ड्स होते थे कि यस, वो क्या जवाब देती थी उन सारे गर्ल्स को? श्योर 100 ऑफ देम, मतलब मेरे पास 100 ड्रेसेज हैं. ऑल लाइंड अप मीन्स सारी ड्रेसेस मेरे क्लोजेट में अच्छे से हैंग हो रही हैं, and they are kept well. So here you can see that Wenda was really a very sensitive girl. Maddie is also very sensitive towards Wenda, and ultimately Peggy also came to know that she was wrong when she was asking question. She was teaching her, and ultimately what is the scene? That they are not together, but mentally they are close to each other. Their letters, exchange of their letters, and the gift that has been given to Maddie and Peggy by Wenda were really memorable for them. And here with this is the end of the chapter. I hope you understood everything, and if you have any doubts you can write me in the comment section and we will sort it out. So take care. Thank you.